Hey everyone, I'm Isaac, and if you ever heard about Photoshop but never really understood what it is or why people swear by it, this video is for you. Let's break it down, quick and simple. Photoshop is Adobe's all-in-one software for editing photos, creating designs, and making your visuals look professional. It started as a photo retouching tool, but now you can do everything. Edit pics like a pro, design logos, posters or Instagram posts, make memes, YouTube thumbnails, and even full-on digital art, remove backgrounds, fix lighting, change colors, literally anything you can think of. If you're a content creator, business owner, student, or just someone who wants to make better visuals, Photoshop is your best friend. Why? Because it gives you full control. You're not stuck using Canva templates. You're building from scratch, your way, how you want it. Want to retouch your selfie, make your brand pop, create graphic designs that actually slap? Photoshop wins in every category. Yeah, it can look intimidating at first, but trust me, you don't need to know everything to start. On this channel, I will guide you through everything from creating a project, layers, all the tools, filters, effects, and everything else that Photoshop offers, including exporting and saving your files. So, if you're ready to level up your content, your brand, or just your creativity, start learning Photoshop today. You won't regret it. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.